ready to ditch those pesky pimples and achieve clear, confident skin. Let's dive into the real deal about acne control cleansers and whether they're actually worth the hype. First things first, what exactly are we talking about? Acne control cleansers are specifically formulated with ingredients like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, or glycolic acid, all designed to target the root causes of acne: excess oil, clogged pores, and inflammation. Now, how do they work? These cleansers exfoliate dead skin cells that can block pores, reduce oil production, and kill acne-causing bacteria. It's like a mini spa day for your face, but with a focus on fighting blemishes. But here's the crucial part: not all acne control cleansers are created equal. The effectiveness really depends on the concentration of active ingredients and your skin type. To strong, and you risk dryness and irritation; to weak, and you might not see any results. So, are they worth it? The answer is a resounding it depends. For mild to moderate acne, a good acne control cleanser can be a game-changer, especially when combined with other acne treatments. If you have severe acne, you'll likely need to consult a dermatologist for a more comprehensive approach. Bottom line, acne control cleansers can be a valuable tool in your skincare arsenal, but do your research, choose wisely based on your skin type and acne severity, and be patient. Clear skin takes time and consistency.